Good noon to all of you. Hopefully, you all are doing well and everything would be going very fine around you. As you know, I am continuously making many videos for you to inform you about, to expose different applications to you of their different functions and of their different features and how they can benefit you if you would have them in your phone. So let's start today's video, that is on CAMSCANNER, and by this name you can see just CAMSCANNER, camera scanner. It means it is going to scan something from your phone in your gallery or either in your documents or files, and then what we will do, what we can do to them, we can just edit those documents here. We can add different pictures to the application from gallery, and we can also capture new pictures from gallery, so we could make a new document. So here let's start, like how we are going to work with this. You can see there are all my documents present here, like each assignment I have made a document of are present here. So what you have to do if you want to have an account on this application, so whenever you will reset your phone or uninstall or reinstall it, so you would not lose any of your files or documents prepared through this. So for that purpose you have to go to me. Now here you can see very at the very front of the picture there is my email nf9 and so on at gmail.com. so just see here, by email, through email you can make your account and create an account, and just see here there's my whole information. From here, by clicking this option, you can obviously make an account. You can add your email or you can add a username, and you can also upgrade account, but for that purpose you will have to pay, you will have to buy premium. So next is cloud space. Cloud space means like how many documents you have, and their mbs collectively are of how much weight, how they are taking how much space. I have total space of 1 GB, and our 40.47 MB of that is filled now. So next is fax balance, my benefits, which icon app. I didn't have buy premium, so I don't have any account here for premium. Have not to pay anything, any recharges for this. Next is sign out. If you want to delete your account, then you can click on sign out. And now just let's go back to the files. Here you can just select the documents like this, more than one documents or only one document, and then you can do what to it. You can share it to any of your applications or any of your systems, like any contact number. If you want to choose the size, original size, medium size or standardized size. Next to it, WhatsApp business, WhatsApp, Gmail, PC, upload fax, convert to long image, convert to JPG, WPS Office, everything is here openly. So I am clicking on save to local. If you will click on save to local, it means this document will be saved to your account, and whenever you will log in your account, that specific document will be there. So you can save all the documents to local. So next thing is import images, like what kind of images you can import from gallery and then create a document of them. So 1, 2 and 3, I have selected 3 images. Now click on import. Now 3 images are being imported. So let's see, first one is here, then second, and then third one. Now how you can edit them, that is edit PDF. Click on edit PDF. Here you can choose the size of the PDF. Here you can choose the mobile scanner, extract text, PDF tools, remove handwriting. Click on I got it. Next is Word. If you want to create your Word file to your PDF file to Word, then you can have this option, then you can use this option, but for that purpose you will need internet connection in your phone. Further, if you want to add any kind of signature to your PDF, then it will be here, edit text in your PDF or Word form, then it will be here, and you can have all these options when your phone will have an internet connection. Next is compression. Compression means your file size will be compressed. So this file is already of so much less MB, so it can't be compressed. There is a limit. Big files you can compress. Next is PDF settings. Click on PDF settings and just see here, protect PDF page number. Protect PDF means it won't allow anyone to copy from your PDF and then paste it at any other space. So next is PDF page number, PDF direction, PDF page size, PDF page margin. Everything has been there. Now if you want to rename your document, then you can add here, like I am adding here SL, because the subject is very different. For this for the subject I have chosen pictures from. Click on OK, and now just see it has been renamed. Now you can directly share to anyone here, but if you don't want to share, then just go back and go back, and it will always be here until you reset your phone, until you uninstall this application or reinstall this application. So after this, there are some tools like to Word, to Excel, to PPT, count, camera, smart trace, PDF to images, PDF to long image, import images, import files, CS, sign, add watermark, merge PDFs, extract PDF pages, recorded PDF pages, protect PDF, ID cards, extract text, ID photo maker, scan to Excel, question set, book, PPT, whiteboard, and scan code. These are all the options you can use for one PDF to convert it into any other form and edit it through many other options.